Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. Happy New Month to everyone. Happy New Month. And today is 1st of March 2026, and we're going to continue the series of the volatility accumulator strategies. That's the accumulator strategies. For last month, we received a lot of messages. Guys made a lot of money, so we have to continue the series. They prompt us to continue the series. So here we're going to be dropping for other volatility. So once you log into your trading account, we're trading the volatility 91x here, 91x, and the numbers there will be different from the other ones because it's for volatility 91x. So we're waiting for 29. Once this thing is 29, we're going to click on buy. So that's 29 right there. We click on buy. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. Once it's 29, we're watching this number. We click on buy. So you can see we want that trade. So let's proceed again with the strategy explanation. So once you log into your trading account, you go to volatility 91x. Then you go to the indicator right here, click on momentum, click on MACD. You're going to see it right here. Then the trade type, you know, is accumulator. You go to accumulator, choose accumulator under the trade type. The growth rate, you set it to 4%, and enter the amount you want to stake. It depends on what you have in your account. If you stake more, you're going to make more. If you don't have much, you can stake low. So the take profit, I'm going to change this back to 15. The take profit 4 USD. You mark the take profit and you enter 4 USD. So we're going to be clicking on buy once this number is 29. It can rebound, but it has to be 29. You see, it skipped 29, but it jumped to 30. But once it's past 28, 29, click on buy. So you can see we want that trade right there. We want that trade. Make sure the number starts from 29 before you click on buy. So you have to wait again for it to rebound before you place another trade. So we're going to come right back there. So we're on the buy sell indicator right there. So this one has just buy. You can see the last signal right there is buy. It's the last light blue. It's buy. So I bought right here. This is sell. It has already dropped down. I missed that one. So this is a buy sell indicator, and this is sell again. It's already going down. I already missed that one. So this is the buy sell indicator. We're still giving it away for free. It works on Deriv, another broker platform that supports MT5, and you can see attach it to the V10, V75, Euro USD, V25 as well. You can use it to trade all pairs. You can use it to trade all pairs. So all you have to do is to just drag it and attach it to the chart and wait for it to show the signal. If it shows you this, you sell. You can see this one is still going all the way down. If it shows you this light blue, you buy. It goes all the way up. So that's how this indicator works. It shows you when to buy and when to sell, but you have to stay online to watch the chart so that you can close your trade. You can also set your TP and your Excel once you place your trade. So in case you want to go offline, you can set your take profit and stop loss. So it's going to take profit when you are offline, So that's how it works. We're giving it away for free. For those who don't have a trading account, check the link in the video description on YouTube to sign up for a free trading account to get this indicator for free. Once you sign up, send us the last 3 digits of your account with your email address to the email in the video description on YouTube. Once you confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order this indicator for $12. The link is in the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to show you guys this right there. So for the indicator, first of all, you need to sign up for a free trading account. We will copy all this and paste in the video description on YouTube. Then subscribe to all these channels. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. We release free strategies regularly on the channels. So you can send an email to this email address after signing up with the last 3 digits of your account. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you. And for those who already have an account, you can order the indicator here. This is the form where you need to fill, and the payment options are right there on the page, right there. And for our pip stripper bot and the toss skipper bot, this is the toss skipper bot. and there's the pip stripper, but they works on Deriv and they're automated. You can use them to trade your synthetic indices. They're automated. So these are the links to order them. Check the video description. We'll place all these links right there in the video description on YouTube. That's for the pip stripper and this for the Toscaper. And for those who don't have a trading account, use this link right here to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo before you go live. And make sure you subscribe to all our channels. These are our channels. The links are in the video description. We're also giving away free bots. When you order any of our bots, you get the indicator for free. And when you order the indicator, you get all our bots for free. The promo is still on. You get all our indicator for free. We're also giving away free Forex bot as well when you order any of them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Subscribe to all our channels. The link to subscribe is in the video description on YouTube. Make sure you're watching these videos on YouTube. So let's place one more trade before we proceed again to the next strategy. So remember, we're waiting for 29 right here. You have to wait. Still going. It will rebound again, then start over again. You have to wait for 29. 61, 62, 63, 64. So it has rebounded. So you can see the number right here. 6, 14, 14. Sometimes it could skip 29, but once it's after 28, place the trade immediately. So that's 30. You see, it skipped 29, so we place that trade right there. So that's it, guys. You see, we won that trade again, another 4.7 bucks right there. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.